everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2025 C8 Corvette Z06, America's track-focused supercar that punches way above its weight class. Today, we're diving into what makes this Z06 a true masterpiece of performance, engineering, and design. Buckle up. At the heart of the Z06 is the naturally aspirated 5.5L flat-plane crank V8, known as the LT6. It screams all the way up to 8,600 RPM, producing a jaw-dropping 670 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. That's the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 in a production car, 0 to 60, a blistering 2.6 seconds. Top speed: over 195 miles per hour. And with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, shifts are razor-sharp, keeping power delivery seamless whether you're carving up canyon roads or dominating the track. The C8 Z06 takes the already aggressive Corvette design and dials it up to 11. Up front, a wider stance and massive air intakes feed the cooling system, while a reworked rear diffuser and optional Z07 package wing generate serious downforce. Wheels: 20-inch fronts, 21-inch rears, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires for insane grip. And for the first time in Corvette history, you can spec carbon fiber wheels, shaving off 41 pounds of unsprung weight. Inside, the Z06 is all about driver focus. You get premium leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara, all blending luxury with track-ready precision. The 12-inch digital gauge cluster and an 8-inch infotainment touchscreen keep you connected, while a performance data recorder lets you relive your best laps. And yes, it sounds as good as it looks, thanks to the titanium exhaust that amplifies that high-revving symphony. So, is the 2025 C8 Corvette Z06 the best bang for your buck supercar? Absolutely. For around $110,000, you get Ferrari-level performance without the 7-figure price tag. American engineering at its finest. What do you think? Would you take this over a Porsche 911 GT3? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-octane reviews. Until next time, keep chasing the thrill.